Information about Acer saccharum. Acer saccharum, commonly known as sugar maple, is a species of tree that belongs to the family Sapindaceae. It is native to the northeastern United States and southeastern Canada, and can also be found in some parts of the Midwest. The sugar maple is a deciduous tree that can grow up to 40 meters tall, with a dense, rounded crown. The leaves are five-lobed, and the fall foliage is known for its brilliant colors, including yellow, orange, and red. The bark of the sugar maple is gray-brown and has deep furrows. Sugar maple is a valuable tree for its wood, which is hard, strong, and has a fine, even texture. It is commonly used for flooring, furniture, and musical instruments. The sap of the sugar maple is also used to make maple syrup and maple sugar. The sugar maple is an important tree in the ecology of its range, providing habitat for many species of birds, mammals, and insects. It is also a popular ornamental tree in landscaping and is often planted in pots.